I'm gonna do a quick cake today. This is going to be like the ultimate cookies and cream cake. I've already stacked this cake, y'all kind of know how that works. So I'm just going to actually start by doing the outside of it first. So this is gonna be a 2-tier cake. First thing I have to do is crush out my Oreos to make the cookies and cream frosting. And I'm gonna save like 8 of these for the top. I have all my frosting here, so we just gotta mix this in. I don't know. I'm just gonna put a lot in here. Kind of wanted to be seen. Oh, I didn't think about this. It's too much. That's what it's looking like. I don't think there's enough. I think I want more. I guess, oh, that might, well, you know, it doesn't matter. You know what? This is the ultimate one. I'm going for it. Let's just add this to the cake on the outside. And this is a 2-tier cake, so I'm gonna do this twice. I'm gonna quickly add this to the outside before I smooth this out. I'm using this cake comb, kind of like the ridges on it, instead of like it being completely straight. I think it's gonna look better. Yeah, it's very subtle, but I think it looks good. This tier is done. I need to freeze it though, because I wanna do a drip down the cake. So I'm just gonna put this in the freezer, kind of let it cool before I add the drip. Bottom tier, I'm doing the same thing. I like the ridges on this one, so just gonna smooth this out and then freeze this one too. That's a little gap right there I gotta fill in. Yeah, I've been teaching like the cake decorating classes lately. I still don't understand how people don't understand how to smooth cakes out. It is the funniest thing, but I get their learning. I don't know, this is like nothing to me to do, and for them, it is like a struggle. It is so funny though. Okay. I think that looks good. Actually, I don't like the top. See, now I gotta do it again. This is the perfectionism again. Not like anyone would notice that because it actually looks really good, but I see it. See, no, it's a cookie. I thought I crushed them all. It's like a big cookie right there. Great. Okay, about to stack the cake now. Just gotta carefully do this. That's not the center. Good thing it's frozen. I just need to move it over really fast. Okay, I really like the ridges. I think that looks so good. All right, so I'm just gonna do a drip on both tiers. Yeah, I'm gonna do it on both. And I got lazy, so I didn't make a notch. I just brought the store kind. I don't think this is melted enough. I wanna melt it more. Little baby drips. See, now this might be too loose. Now I'm scared. Like, oh my gosh, okay. I've done better drips before, but that's all right. We'll do the bottom one a little better, maybe. I'm gonna add these Oreos to the top of the cake. I'm gonna do 8 just so that it's like symmetrical. All right, I'm gonna fill in between my Oreos. This is like my signature thing I love to do, so I don't know, I think it looks good. See, I don't like the cake board. I can see the cake board, so I'm trying to figure out what I wanna do there. I don't wanna like do piping there, so I'm just gonna have to do the trick with my finger. So the cake is frozen, so if I quickly do this before it unfreezes, I should be able to like use my finger with like a glove and it like hides the seam. That's the goal. Should be able to just use my finger to kind of seam these two together. Yeah, it's working. Cool trick to kind of hide the seam. Now we're just going to add on as much cookies and cream themed stuff to the outside of this to like really elevate it and make it pop. So that's the goal now. I'm gonna put some crumbs on top of the dollops because I think that'll look good. And now I'm gonna use regular vanilla to like add dollops on the side. And I'm just gonna like I pipe different stuff on here. I don't really have a goal right now. I'm just kind of doing what I think works. Cause I'm not going all over, just sporadic. Okay, the same for the bottom. All right, so I have mini Oreos and I have a cookies and cream bar. So I think the goal is just to like add these as accents around. Fun fact, I do not like white chocolate. I think this is gross. Don't really match, but I guess that's okay. Yeah, I'm just gonna not think about it. Just put them on somewhere. Oh my God, they are not breaking clean at all. I need them to look good. I'm just gonna put these mini Oreos different places too, just like that. Now I just gotta cover up some of these again with frosting. I got Pockies, cookies and cream, so I'm gonna add them to the top to kind of like, I don't know, add something more. Kind of trying to be smart about how I'm adding everything. No goal, I'm just kind of winging it. I don't know what I'm doing actually, to be honest. I think it looks good. This might not be necessary and you probably can't even see it, but I'm gonna add like these little pearls just because. I think they always add a little something. All right, here is my cookies and cream cake done. I think it turned out really good. I try to use like a lot of things on the outside. I didn't use too much because I didn't want to look messy, but we have the, cookies and cream Hershey bars, mini Oreos, and the cookies and cream Pockies. So I think it all worked out. So I went for a cake that you would probably actually eat other than like a super design cake that I usually would make. So let me know, would y'all actually want to try this cake? Because I'm actually about to cut this and see what it looks like on the inside. Hey, look at that. That looks so good. That is a clean cake. You see like all the symmetrical layers. Like that's what you want. You want the outside and the inside to look just as good. So I'm really happy with this one. Love how it came out. I love it. I think it looks great. This is a cake that I think a lot of people would eat. If you would, let me know in the comments below. And if there's another theme type of cake that you want to see me do next, make sure you leave those in the comments. Subscribe to the channel if you haven't. And until then, I'll see y'all in the next video.